Namaste. After understanding the urine, the way it is formed, people do ask this question: what about nitrogenous substances found in urine? Well, after understanding the function of the kidneys, that is, it is not excreting waste, but it is regulating the various substances in our blood. Naturally, this question arises: these nitrogenous compounds like urine has, that is urea, creatinine, as they are poisonous, and aren't these substances harmful? That's what the question is. Well, the principal organic solid in urine is urea. This has long been considered to be a waste product. It's even been considered to be a dangerous or poisonous, but this theory too is completely untrue. Like any other substance in the body, too much urea can be harmful, but urea in or of itself is enormously valuable and indispensable to the body functioning. Not only does urea provide valuable nitrogen to the body, but research has shown that urea actually aids in the synthesis of protein, or in other words, it helps our bodies to use protein more efficiently. So urea has also been to be proven to be an extraordinary antibacterial antiviral agent and is one of the best natural diuretic ever discovered. That is why these very substances doesn't harm us, but they actually benefit us. For example, they prevent constipation by doing a job of purification of the body. The quantity of urea and creatinine found in the urine is very small amount in comparison to the blood. So the small quantity of these substances found in urine helps in cleansing the physical body. You must have heard about the antivenom injections. The medicine used is a kind of poison that is injected in us when we get bitten by a snake. The small poison drives out the big poison. That is the principle. Similarly, whatever may be the disease, these substances which are nitrogenous in kind found in urine, which works as a good cleansing agent, basically does the job of clearing out all the poisons and toxins in the body. Once the cause of the disease is eliminated, then the body gets restored to its optimum healthy state. For this, ask any urine therapy follower, he will gladly share with you the joy of empty bowels, the complete freedom from constipation. This is something that has to be experienced than it is to be believed. Another urea related ingredient is carbamide. Carbamide is the chemical name of synthesized urea. In preparation of ear drops, wax removal systems, carbamide peroxide, a combination of synthetic urea and hydrogen peroxide, is used. Medical researchers have also proven that urea is one of the best and only medically proven effective skin moisturizers in the world. In many years of laboratory studies, researchers have discovered that unlike just about all other types of oil-based moisturizers that simply sit on the top layers of the skin and do nothing to improve the water retention within these skin cells, whereas urea actually increases the water banding capacity of the skin by opening skin layers for hydrogen bonding, and which then attaches or attracts the moisture to dry skin cells. This is remarkable fact considering that women spend so much of money on outrageously expensive skin moisturizers whose ingredients are sometimes harmful and don't even come close to hydrating dry skin, as well as simple inexpensive urea which is found in their own urine. That is why there are many cosmetics made out of medicinal urea, and many cinestars, they use this urea related skin moisturizers to improve their skin glow. Another ingredient of urine, as we are talking about the nitrogenous compound, is uric acid. Uric acid is also considered as undesirable waste product of the body that causes gout. But even uric acid has recently been found to have tremendous health promoting and medical implications. Medical researchers at University of California at Berkeley, that is reported in 1982, that uric acid could be a defense against cancer and aging process. They further say that it also destroys body damaging chemicals called free radicals that are present in food, water, and air, and which are considered to be a cause of cancer and breakdowns in immune functions. There is one more magazine named as Omni magazine in October 1982, which published this paper, which emphasizes that uric acid could be one of the things that enable human beings to live so much longer than other animals. So in conclusion, we can say that these nitrogenous compounds like urea, creatinine, uric acid found in human urine may seem poisonous, but recycling them orally into our body is totally harmless. Thank you.